Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to begin. Enable Bluetooth, location, and NFC on your Android, then open Apple's Tracker Detect app. Once done, start a manual scan to look for nearby AirTags because Androids cannot pair to an AirTag like an iPhone. If Tracker Detect finds a device, it lists the unique identifier and signal strength so you can tell direction. For a lost tag, tap the AirTag with your phone to read the owner's lost mode message via NFC if the owner set one. Once the scan lists an AirTag, use signal strength as your primary locator. Move slowly and watch numbers to inch closer. Stronger RSSI means proximity, so sweep rooms methodically. Make sure to validate by tapping the AirTag with your phone. NFC will open a web page if lost mode is active, giving owner contact details. If it isn't in lost mode, do a careful search pattern. Check pockets, bags, vehicles, and avoid assuming ownership, because AirTags are meant to help find lost items for others. Finish by following the lost mode instructions shown via NFC. That's the ethical and correct action since you can't register the AirTag to an Android. If scanning fails, reboot your phone, toggle Bluetooth and NFC, move to open areas and rescan. Interference often blocks detection. Make sure your Tracker Detect app and Android OS are up to date. If you receive persistent unknown AirTag alerts suggesting unwanted tracking, keep the tag, note times and locations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.